Alright, you guys, you want to do a cold start? As it's like 70 degrees out. On my old Danger Ranger here. She does have a flat tire up there. I'm going to try to stretch some air hose out here and see if I can get that pumped up. But it's still got the ice fishing gear in the back here. The heater. So that's the last time I used it. I think it was about January when the last time it was started. See, we got the old snow shovel up on top of it to get that off. Let me get that tire pumped up. Let me change your battery too, because your battery looks kind of dead here. And then we'll get that baby started. It's going up. Okay, we got the tire pumped up now. Still holding air. A little run down on the lowdown here. Bought this gray Ranger from my cousin a long time ago. I was in high school. Then some dingleberry crashed into me. So I had to put this blue box in last year. I put new shocks in it. There's a dent on the other door still. And the fender's dented from him backing into the dump truck. And I had to put a new seat in it. And I patched the floor because the floor was all rusted out. It doesn't smell like nothing's living in here. I do have a mice poison trap thing in here. See if anything's in there. No, well, that's still in there. Let's see if it's got any power. It's got something, alright. I know last time I used this that the throttle was kind of sticky. I got a roll of duct tape in here. That always comes in handy. Let me turn off this fan here and turn the radio off before we get banned it from YouTube or something. Where should I sit you guys for the ride? Got one of these little stand things, but I don't know if you'll be able to see much. I don't know if you'll be able to see anything. Let me get in here. Let me open the window a little bit. Not bad. Got oil pressure. We're charging. Let's back this thing out of here. Here's the fender, then the door too. The part of the door is I tipped it on the side. Went around an S-curve in the middle of winter. It was slippery. And she just kind of slid right on the side, slid right in the ditch, tipped it right on the side, and it slid right down the ditch bank like that until somebody pulled over and seen me. Then they tipped it back with a wrecker and drug it to college. Then we got her running then. I drove her back home, about 100 miles home then. Had to fix the brake lines and put fluid in it. We unhooked my safety strap here. Anything living in there? Doesn't look like it. Okay, well I got all the tires pumped up now, all to the right pumping location decimal form, inch/pound per square inch of tire. Got them all pumped up to what they wanted. Some were low, some were fine, some were beautiful. And I oiled up the throttle because that was kind of sticky. That made it kind of exciting when you're going down the road. All the fluids are good. Added a little oil to it. I'm going to let it run for a little while out here in the yard and make sure everything is up to operating temperature. She's a 1992. She's been around the block a few times. Got a 5-speed in it with air conditioning. I guess that's all that matters is you got air conditioning. And I didn't see none of them little rascals in here anywhere. But I got a CB in it. Oh yeah. It's got 763857. Might have turned over a couple times by now. Radio works. Okay, you guys watch where we're going here, and I'm gonna drive it down there to the thing here. You tell me what I'm doing. I'm gonna run into anything. It does feel good to be driving her again. I wonder if she missed me as much as I missed her. What are you guys doing? Oh, what you guys doing? Look at them big old ears you got. And you need to shave your beard. Well, that looks better, doesn't it? There's the 7-minute wash. Looks brand new now. You know when I said I tipped it over on the side, you know, in the ditch? You can even see my footprints on the ceiling still from when I climbed out. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not. And those are my footprints when I was upside down and I climbed out that way. And that's here from a log train. Flew right through the back window. Just slid across the side of my ear last year and cracked my front window. But I ain't fixing it right now until I have to. Because my vision side is way up here because I'm tall. Like, see, right here, with you, there to there. So that's my story. I'm standing to it. I think I'm gonna slide it back in the garage now with a little shed over here, over by my little snowmobile, my bombardier, just like the one that Wally's just got over at Wally's Place 66. See it right up there? Yeah, I'll zoom in for you. There it is. I got the hood in the garage for good keeping. And I got the motor out of it because that needed a little work. I got it for free from a fellow in town.